Welcome to Virtue Matters, where ancient wisdom meets personal growth. Ever wondered how Plato, objectivism, and the ethical system of Confucius can fuel your personal development in today's fast-paced world? How about Marcus Aurelius or Machiavelli? Well, you're in the right place. We're not just discussing philosophies here, we're decoding them, distilling timeless lessons, and applying them to the challenges of contemporary life. Get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and practical philosophy. This isn't about dusty books. It's about transforming your daily life with the insights of some of the greatest thinkers to ever draw breath. So join us as we explore the intersection of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge personal development, and let's unlock the secrets to a more meaningful and fulfilling life, together. And if you appreciate what you see here, please drop us a like and maybe leave a comment too. And if you subscribe to the channel, you'll be notified when all our new content drops. Thank you. Introduction. Existentialism is a philosophical perspective that explores the fundamental questions of human existence and the meaning of life. It emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, reflecting a response to the challenges posed by the modern world. Existentialism emphasizes individual freedom, personal responsibility, and the subjective experience of existence. At its core, existentialism grapples with the inherent anxiety, uncertainty, and absurdity of human existence. It delves into questions such as, what is the purpose of life? How do we find meaning in a seemingly chaotic world? What choices should we make in the face of the inevitability of death? Existentialism rejects the notion that there is an objective or universal meaning to life. Instead, it emphasizes the individual's ability to create meaning through their actions and choices. Existentialism places great importance on personal freedom and authenticity. It encourages individuals to embrace their freedom, take responsibility for their choices, and confront the existential dilemmas and anxieties that arise from the human condition. Existentialism has influenced various fields, including philosophy, literature, psychology, and art. Existentialist thinkers such as Jean-Paul Sartre, Friedrich Nietzsche, and Albert Camus have explored these themes in their works, inviting individuals to confront the complexities of existence and search for personal meaning in an often chaotic and unpredictable world. 1. Existence precedes essence. Existentialism stands in stark contrast to the belief that individuals possess a predetermined essence or nature. It boldly challenges this notion by asserting that individuals come into existence first, without any predetermined purpose or inherent qualities. Instead, it proclaims that through their actions and choices, individuals define their essence and shape their identity. This fundamental principle of existentialism highlights the profound significance of personal freedom and the transformative power it holds. It recognizes that individuals have the capacity to break free from external expectations and societal norms, enabling them to forge their own path and determine the course of their lives. 2. Authenticity and individual freedom. Existentialism places a profound emphasis on individual freedom, considering it as a core value that should be cherished and upheld. It champions the idea that each person possesses the autonomy to shape their own lives and make choices that resonate with their unique values and beliefs. Rather than adhering blindly to societal expectations, existentialism encourages individuals to live authentically, in alignment with their true selves. This authentic way of being involves a deep self-reflection and a genuine exploration of one's desires, passions, and aspirations. Central to existentialism is the belief that authenticity is the key to living a fulfilling and meaningful life. It encourages individuals to break free from the shackles of conformity and embrace their individuality. By doing so, one can avoid the pitfalls of living a life that is inauthentic and unfulfilling. Instead, existentialism suggests that genuine self-expression and the pursuit of personal values lead to a sense of purpose and inner fulfillment. It calls upon individuals to take responsibility for their choices and to navigate the complexities of existence with integrity, remaining true to themselves in a world that often pressures them to conform. 3. Anguish and existential crisis. Existentialism acknowledges the experience of anguish and the existential crisis that individuals may face when grappling with the meaninglessness and absurdity of life. This crisis emerges from the tension between the desire for meaning and the realization of the inherent uncertainties of existence. Through introspection and self-reflection, individuals can navigate these existential dilemmas. 4. Subjectivity and personal experience. Existentialism recognizes the significance of subjective experience. It highlights that individuals have unique perspectives, interpretations, and responses to the world. This subjectivity is influenced by personal history, culture, and values. Existentialism encourages individuals to embrace their subjectivity and explore the rich complexity of their own experiences. 5. Anxiety and dread. Existentialism acknowledges the inherent anxiety and dread that individuals may encounter in the face of life's uncertainties. The awareness of our freedom and the responsibility it entails can be daunting. Existentialists encourage individuals to confront and accept this anxiety, as it serves as a catalyst for personal growth and self-discovery. 6. Authentic existence over conformity. Existentialism challenges the conformity that often prevails in society. It criticizes the tendency to live inauthentic lives, driven by societal expectations and norms. Instead, it urges individuals to break free from conformity and make choices that align with their own values, beliefs, and desires. By living authentically, individuals can experience a sense of fulfillment and purpose. 7. Meaning and purpose. Existentialism recognizes the universal human quest for meaning and purpose. It asserts that individuals have the responsibility to create their own meaning in life through their choices and actions. Rather than seeking external validation or predetermined answers, existentialists believe that individuals have the capacity to find meaning within themselves and their engagements with the world. 8. Existential freedom and responsibility. Existentialism holds a profound reverence for individual freedom, recognizing it as an essential aspect of human existence. It underscores the idea that individuals have the capacity to make choices and actively participate in shaping their own lives. This freedom is a fundamental characteristic of our human condition, allowing us to determine our path and express our unique identities. However, existentialism also emphasizes that freedom is not an isolated concept, but is intricately tied to responsibility. By taking ownership of our existence and assuming responsibility for our actions, we can navigate life with integrity, purpose, and a deep respect for the interconnectedness of our choices in the broader human experience. 9. Anxiety in the face of death. Existentialism confronts the anxiety and existential questions that arise from the awareness of mortality and the finitude of human existence. The recognition of our mortality can instill a sense of urgency to live a meaningful life. By embracing the reality of death, individuals can gain a deeper appreciation for the present moment and make choices that align with their authentic selves. 10. Existential authenticity and living in the present. Existentialism encourages individuals to live authentically in the present moment. By fully engaging with their existence and embracing their freedom, individuals can experience a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose. This involves being fully present, taking responsibility for one's choices, and actively shaping one's life in alignment with personal values and aspirations. Conclusion. Existentialism offers a compelling framework for exploring the complexities of human existence and the search for meaning. By emphasizing individual freedom, authenticity, and responsibility, existentialism invites individuals to reflect on their choices, confront existential anxieties, and actively shape their lives in pursuit of personal fulfillment. It reminds us that we have the power to find meaning within ourselves and create a life that is authentic and meaningful. Thank you for joining me on this philosophical journey into existentialism. If this exploration has sparked your interest, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of ethics, morality, and personal development. Remember, the journey is yours to embark upon, and the words, music, film, and art of the existentialists can be a guiding light that may illuminate your way if you allow it. Until next time, may you find peace, joy, and true liberation in every step you take on your remarkable journey. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and as always, live authentically.